Oops, hold on to your poles, Sue.
Full face. Yeah, someday you'll probably need one of those motorcycle helmets.
Look at the peak, it's beautiful. Which run are you gonna do, Madison? I thought you were gonna do the Natty half pipe.
On TV.
I'll keep it off of YouTube for you. But when you get famous, I might have to sell it.
I will get famous then.
Okay. You'll stay under the radar. You're not going to be famous.
I want you to be famous and rich. Take care of Daddy.
That's a good idea.
You'd be a singer.
You take care of Aunt Sue also.
Yeah.
Go on America's Got Talent.
Make a bunch of money.
You want to start right now?
No.
I don't know how to sing, but I know how to ski.